Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu na Oraifite afa njuwechi ọzọ. Ezigbo afa mbụ Chukwu nọnyere m enwena m. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa mbido ebilukwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche, zikwazi ozi dị iche iche. Then abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị bụ taa bụ non-blood sacrifice and reparation. Non-blood sacrifices and reparation. I'm here to tell you there were so many ways mmadụ ji achụ aja dị very effective. There were so many ways, keys in creation, and until you put the right peg in the square hole, you can never get it perfect. And with the key of Una, with the honor, with the key of Sadaka, and with keys of propagation, keys of charity, and with the keys of joyful activities. Then, and with many keys, even a tragedy teachable keys can have. All you can do, even fasting is a key. Mana, what you take from home from me today, but key over than what was all game. If you not to do them, madam, the way to do. Set down what happen more at any given time. Where now support evangelism, now low temples, now low place of worships, now low local teacher is a key. And well on the what they must do is to feed the less privileged. And to help the needy, the orphans, the widows, the downtrodden is a must do for them in order to move from point A to point B. I got so many ways, non-blood sacrifices. Because what you don't know remains a mystery to you. But before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. We are in the month of March, May, April. Our monthly ritual is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are. Distance is never a barrier in all we do in the temple. Then, in the case of Ela, any sort of go in the temple, to Aja, go for Kubioku, missing in Ela all over the globe. I get make it the last day of the month. I get Joqua Aja teaching in a temple. Jeneben Chuaja Buebu, Mesaraka, Nahamadu. Believe in me, we started these rituals over 4 years now. We have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media, Eze-Ana TV, but can order necessary. Okwan cause what them babu cheta. Eze-Ana TV in our website now. Yes, you will that watch Eze-Ana TV, Eze-Ana TV, our administrations via our website www.ezeokutv.org. You can go Google Play Store, download the Eze-Ana TV app. Now, the Eze-Ana TV app, you can watch Eze-Ana TV live programs. You can now watch our administrations, meaning all over the world you can have access to our Eze-Ana TV. It's an arm of evangelization. Now let's proceed. Now better. WhatsApp number on the screen here. 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. I'm going to tell you the monthly rituals, but no way here add you to phone one-on-one. But we don't want you to talk at him well. You get reach when the WhatsApp numbers in that board. Then let us proceed. Today's topic, like I said before, is non-blood sacrifice and reparation. I'm here to tell you, naked all work, and with so many things in the matter. On what a big achuru aja, ihemme, aja ihemme bo aja is a sacrifice. ịdị afọ na ndị Catholics ga-aghọta nke ọma a na-asị na n'elu obe na Jizọs chụrụ aja were onwe ya chụọ aja na-agba mmehie, mana n'elu ọta na site n'ịgba ụkọ ndị ụkọchukwu na ọ dị agbazi mmehie, ihe na-eweta di ya bụ na aja ha na-achụ aja mass. So aja can come in many forms. Even when you deny yourself some certain things for the benefit of others, is aja or sacrifice. To the action can pinpoint those things in where key man, where they can catapult from point A to point B. Man operate to him like the topic is non-blood sacrifices and reparation. That he gauge jiri ihe abro blood sacrifice we gbanwere onwe ọnọdụ nke bụ eziokwu na ọ bụrụ na ugwu iji na mmụọ bụ non-blood sacrifice ka iji ọsọ gị je na-egbu ọkụkọ, ọsọ gị na-egbu ebule, ọsọ gị na-egbu efi, your problem will never end. You know why? Ugwu iji na mmụọ abụrụ ihe aja ihe mmehie. O nwere ike that thing na-eme gị ị na-agbagharị from pillar to post can actually be solved by mere prayer of a higher person that is better than you, a higher priest. Ihe niile uke ekwubi okwu n'isi gị, ọnọdụ ga-agbanwe. Ịma what you don't know remains a mystery. Ịma na enwere ike your problems in a face now. Ihe niile bụ ka igoro ọjị, ka igoro mmanya, igoro ihe dịgasị ya, ị nwere ike imewe afọ gaba n'ikwu nne gị to ya maternal people, gwa nna gị ochie to pray for you for breakthrough. Ịma na o nwere ndị ọbụ this is what they actually need in order to break the yoke. O nwere nke ọ ga-eme asị gị jee chọba elder, an elderly person for your maternal place or for your paternal place to pray and make declaration upon your lives. Do you know? It's a key. Do you know? No one will problem again. What you actually need is to sow seed in the life of others. Example. Do you know that no one some problem you will have? You need the alms giving to the downtrodden. People you are better off. And well, some problem again is a sacrifice because that money actually belongs to you. And you choose out of your own volition to share it with people that you are better than. It's a sacrifice. And it's a non-blood sacrifice. When you are told to do saraka with children, it's a sacrifice. And it's a key. And we go to the honor of Habanwell by mere saraka umazi. Do you know no one their own problem, salvation lies in supporting ministrations? Do you know? Do you know no one Ogbuefi to evangelize? That is their own sacrifice. Habrundi na akutara Chineke mmadụ. Habrundi na-eme ka ọ dị mma. I nwere idea no nwere ihe a na-akpọ propagation. Enwere ndị their primary purpose of coming to these cross materials at this particular time, this point in time, to propagate ka ha gbasa ozi ka ndị mmadụ si n'ọnọdụ ha dị njọ wee gbanwee. Ilotara the story of Jonah. Agwara Jonah ya jebe obodo Nineveh and he refuses to go. And his salvation lies in propagation. to propagate to people to turn from their evil ways. Do you know that why you are suffering today is as a result of not knowing exactly the primary purpose why you are here? Hosea 4:6, I keep quoting it. My people are suffering because of lack of vision and knowledge. So always seek for knowledge. Always have good vision. I can tell you that if you lack these two things, you might be suffering for nothing. You brought it upon yourself because you refuses to do the right thing at the right time. Some people normally kick against people that you see. Some people I have seen many people out of their own volition, single-handedly, they built temple. You don't blame them. You don't tell somebody how to spend his money. Out of his own volition, a man chukwu o nwere otu onye mma before ebunye ya enu o si na ya kwere chukwu nkwa na ọ bụrụ na o mere ya ihe dị etu a in gratitude na ya ga-ekenye by building a temple. Chukwu mere ya ihe ọ chọrọ. Achọrọ m ịkpọ ya for high profile person from Edo State. He single-handedly built a temple in South India. Yes. And many others. Build go temple. And was many people build churches. And build go so many places of worship. For to build a mosque. A matter of onya wana mmụọ ihe mmụọ mere ma ọ bụ ihe ọ yọrọ mmụọ n'oge eme is a sacrifice because ihe abụ nke ya. The money the person spent is his own money. He can't be blaming me when I built Obi. As we speak now, still remain the best Obi so far in my village. Because it's a promise I made to the Ndiche that no one had made me here to her. And they did yes. It's a sacrifice. They refuse to fulfill their earlier promises. And when people build a foundation, the less privileged. Now, people from humble background, people from the poor homes. Like in the temple, we have this arms of foundation in the temple, ugochitubelu foundation, for the name of because every month whatever money we get from our investments, we save some percentage for the people under our payroll. I am with from kindergarten up to a secondary school as we speak. I think one of them will be taking I think SS2 or 3 now. What am I saying? Ndani nenwere ihe jikọ na ha bụrụ the same place. But some of them reached out to me. Although field na anyị nwere ike ime wie no. Their names. It's a key. And actually, of them from time to time the support. Like last Christmas, I'm going to put them mad. Chineke Sinaka will feed. I'm going to put them mad children of the temple, they support. But I say, I put the mad. It's a key, it's a sacrifice. That sacrifice, I broke the Wabonian Achuaja, or go in a whip, or go in a whip. Things are not working out. I will advise you to change method. And if you don't chubaja non-blood sacrifices, you will thank me later. I don't joke with non-blood sacrifices. What is important is to be a joy giver. Be a cause of joy to people around you, people that come across you one way or the other. Be a joy giver. Joyful activities in one way or the other, it can help in maintaining your environment, clean up some certain places. It's a sacrifice. Even in one age, more than denomination of the You can create that time. You don't have money. You can create time. Name those clean up, arranging chairs and everything. It's a sacrifice. By me doing those small charity work, honor to yes, because the key to solve every problem. Everything I bring one, everything I bring my more pan, more the I can tell you, everyone did their cable, na haga spend the ego, the evangelism, more we build the place of worship. You know why? Maybe their hand, the nande nyeraka well kwatuo, uno fufenso, more persecute evangelism, more persecute spirituality in one way or the other. So in this earth life, their primary mandate is to help to rebuild what they destroyed in their previous earth life. Why somebody will be spending his money in religious activities, helping the widows, helping the downtrodden? No. A man that has a link with that. Example, only Kisonande, maybe you know of olden days. Maybe Sonande Baromba will make the evangelism. In this earth life, you must champion it in order for things to turn around, in order for you to pay your karma. When I answered this calling, I was told that I'm called to be a priest and an evangelist. I asked them, how will I be able to achieve that? They told me that when time comes, that I will have means, that people will support me in order to achieve that. I can tell you, Eze-Ana TV has been on over 2 years now. Believe me, and we have spent a huge amount of money in propagation. But I don't have any choice because it's my mandate to lead. Since 2018, I have been evangelizing, even on social media. And all this while, Chukwu be kind. And we have been sustaining all the